So hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I know I look very orange. I'm using my light again because all of the light from outside is gone. Today, I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing for July, and I know it's extremely late, but I'm finally doing this. I actually got this box pretty early. Like, I think I got it on the 10th, which is pretty good. This is the card for this month, and this month's theme is road trippin'. And yes, I know I'm wearing my glasses, so I'm gonna attempt to film like without my glasses, like as I'm putting on the makeup. And these are the items that I personally got. So this is the Chella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream, and this is an eyebrow thing that has the brush on one side of it that looks like that, and the product is on the other side. So let me just, you turn it and it's in there, but it's too light of a color personally for me because taupe already doesn't sound like dark brown or like ebony, and I saw people using it and it just looks too light for me personally, so I will be giving that away. And the Chella eyebrow cream is $26 USD. So the next product in the box is Dr. Brandt Needles No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. So I'm just going to be using this even though there's not a lot of depuffing to do. And I know videos you never see a person wearing their glasses and doing their makeup at the same time, but like I'm not going out today. I don't really want to put on my contacts and then throw them away because I do have dailies. That's $42. So the next thing in the box that I will be using is going to be this Crown Brushes Pro palette. And honestly, this is how the palette looks, and I'm kind of underwhelmed by it. I'm gonna go in with my Mercier eye primer. This is a pretty good palette. Everything blended really nicely except for the last shade that I use. This one, it literally looks like that one on the eye, like these two. I don't know, I just couldn't really see a difference, or there isn't a really big difference that I could tell. This is not a bad palette. Everything is pretty pigmented. All of the shimmer shades are really good. I'm gonna go into the next item in the box, which is the Wander Beauty Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Formula, from what I see, looks pretty dry, but the brush is like a curled kind of brush, and I like these kind of brushes. So I'm just gonna zoom you in to show you that after the first coat, not a lot happened. The only thing happened, in my opinion, was just that it made my eyelashes all black, and it kind of lifted, but that's, in my opinion, I feel like it's because I curled my lashes. Since I have a tan, none of my foundations match me, so I went to Sephora and I was like, hey, shade match me, and I just got some random foundation that they thought was my shade. I got the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation, and I got one in light beige and warm nude. I have no idea how this is gonna work, and I just mixed it. I just mixed light beige and warm nude. Can I just say I look hilarious right now? I look so yellow. I'm screaming. This is so funny. So I'm just going to be using concealer, and this time I will name the concealer because it's from a brand that I love. This is from Urban Decay. It's the Naked Weightless. And I'm still going to use that foundation brush for the concealer. I'm just going to set my under eyes with the Wet n Wild setting powder. I'm going to contour and bronze my face using the Wet n Wild angled face brush because it's more like pinched. Hopefully it will fix my yellow face, but I don't think it will. The last thing in the box is my next product that I'm going to use, and it is the Note Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil, and it's in 05 Desert Rose. I don't think this is rosy. This is a lot peachier, which I like. So I'm going to be using this Joe & Joe like angled brush that is more like for cheeks. And this is very bulky because it has a brush inside and no one uses that, so I put a lot. Oops. Well, this is a very pigmented blush, and I like pigmented blush, but this is a lot. Okay. I don't have my highlighting brush, but I will use this one, like I said, because it is so pinched, and I'm gonna use that shade. So I just highlighted my face using the lightest shade. I have no idea if you caught that, but I did, and I spritzed my face, and now I'm just gonna go grab lipstick. Not lipstick, I'm just going to be using my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Yeah, so this is the final look. I know it's really warm and neutral, which I have done this kind of look before. Overall, everything was pretty good. Like, this, very pigmented, very blendable. It's just the colors that I have a problem with, but that's a personal thing. I know other people really love this. And this blush was very good as well. This, no idea what it does because it is at night and my eyes are not puffy. This one is okay. It's just like a regular mascara. Like, if I were to wear false eyelashes all the time, I wouldn't mind because, you know, random eyelashes is just whatever. But as a person who doesn't wear false eyelashes every day, because I just don't, I don't prefer this mascara. It seems like it's really light. It doesn't really do a lot. The overall value, let's see, 1 2 3 4, a little bit above $135. I know, I was doing mental math there, sorry, so it took a while. Yeah, and remember, you pay $21 for this box. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to be filming another one really soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!